know so many of us here are still struggling, we are battling, we are trying to make good profits, but we don't know how to really go about it, how to do it. So I'm here to help you guys. Every one of you that is watching this video, we want to start free classes. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end to understand or to know how to join the free classes. Okay. Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the mentor himself, the mentor of boom and crash, the mentor of indices, the mentor of currency. Yeah, I'm so happy to introduce myself, and I know you're excited and you're surprised to see me. And this is me, this is the mentor of indices. I think this is the first time of introducing myself, or the first time showing my face up here on this channel. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I want to thank you guys for the love, the support, because I can still remember when we started this channel, it was just like my sister was the first person that subscribed to this channel. She was the first subscriber to this channel. Okay, I called her to subscribe to my channel and she was the first person. So I had just one subscriber then, and look at where we are today. I never knew that we'd get to this level. We are up to 10k, over 10k subscribers now. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Thanks guys. And I'm here, not just here to tell you guys thank you, and I'm not just here to get subscribers, more subscribers. I'm not just here to get you to like my video or join the free Telegram channel. I'm here to add value to you guys. Okay, I've seen the love, guys, so I want to appreciate you guys. I know so many of us here are still struggling, we are battling, we are trying to make good profits, but we don't know how to really go about it, how to do it. So I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so what am I going to do? As you're watching this video, every one of you that is watching this video, we want to start free classes coming 16th of May 2023. Because I'm mentioning the dates now and the month and the year, because I know 2 years later somebody will just come and watch this video and still tell me that I said on the May of that very year that we're supposed to have classes, we're supposed to start our free classes. No, it's 16th May 2023. We start our free classes. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the very end to understand or to know how to join the free classes. Okay, we stopped trading for a while. For some reasons. I was facing some challenges. No, I did not blow my account. I know a lot of people will feel I blew my account, that's why I stopped trading. No, I did not blow my account. My students, they are all aware. The academy, they are aware. They know what happened. And so many of them came to me and were like, boss, I think you should, mentor, I think you should stop trading for a while. And I had to just stop trading for a while, because trading is more of psychology, right? It's psychological. So it's not good to trade with too much emotion. That's why I love advising a lot of you that comes to me when you have problem, like you want to pay your fees, you want to pay your house rent. That's not the time for you to come into forex and start investing the last money you had, maybe the last money you have to you start investing, start thinking you will be able to double and make more. It's possible though, but it's 50-50. Okay, let's be honest, it's just 50-50. There's every tendency for you to lose everything below the account. So it's better when you're having issues like that, it's just better you wait and you wait and do the right thing by looking for money, sourcing for money elsewhere, and add to what you already have, okay, than just coming to forex and hoping to make more money in a very short period of time. Okay, because forex is a business. So yeah, we stopped trading, but now we are back, and we are back fully. We are back really good. We changed the brand name from FX Major to something else, so I will update you guys on that. Okay, so yeah, and also we've registered the brand. It's registered now, it's a registered brand. Okay, and we've created a site. We have our pages now, like our Facebook and IG pages, and also Twitter. We are on Twitter, we are on all these platforms. I'll share the link. You just need to check the description area for you to join the free Telegram channel and join those platforms using those links. Okay, yeah, we have so many things for you guys, trust me. So from now we'll be trading synthetic indices and currencies. So there will be free classes and also free signals for every one of you that is watching this video. All you need to do is just to join the Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. Check the description area to do that. Okay. I have four important reasons why I'm making this video. One would be introducing myself. You guys get to know me now for the first time. This is the Mentor, and also letting you guys know that we've registered the brand, we've changed a lot of stuff, and we're coming up with so many things. That will be one. And two, we want to see how we want to see the growth. We want to monitor the growth. So we're starting. It's just like we are starting afresh. Okay, it's like a new brand. So I would love you guys to join us now that we are growing. Now that we start growing, to grow with us. Let's see where we get to by the end of this month. End of this year. The growth. Let's just see our growth. Let's see what we can do from now till the end of this year. Okay, so you can join this Signal platform, join the academy, do everything you need to do. Let's just join. I want to see everybody grow together. We want every one of us to grow together like that till we become those millionaires that we want to become, right? The third thing will be the free classes, to announce the free classes and the free signals, that if you can watch this video to the very end, you'll be able to know how to join the free classes coming 16th May 2023. And also, I have important things I need to list out here. I know a lot of us are struggling. I see the love. You guys love boom and crash so much. And I see whenever I drop boom and crash strategy, it moves faster. I have so many views, but whenever I drop maybe price action, normal indices, and other videos, it's always struggling. Okay, so what am I doing now? I want to show you guys that it's not just having boom and crash strategy. There's so many things you need to put in place. So I'm about to list those important things. 15 important things you need to put into consideration before trading boom and crash. Trust me, after watching those videos, I'll be dropping those videos bit by bit. 15 important things you need to put into considerations before trading boom and crash. After watching these videos, I'll explain everything. Okay, it will be well detailed and very, very educative. Okay, after watching these videos, trust me, you don't need to jump from one strategy to another anymore. You just need to put those things, do this one, do that one, and start making your money. Okay, start making your money, start staying consistently. Okay, so that's the purpose of, those are the reasons why I'm creating this video now, to introduce myself, to let you know what our plan, to announce the free classes and the free signals, and also to mention those, to let you guys know that I'm coming up with boom and crash, 14 things you need to know before trading boom and crash. 15 things rather you need to know before trading boom and crash. Now, for you to join the free classes, you need to check the description area to join our free Telegram channel. Join those pages I told you. Then before the 16th of this month, May, I will tell you guys how to do or what you need to do before you come into the class. It will be free, completely free, from basic, from novice to advanced, from beginner to advanced level. That's what we want to do. I don't just want to teach you guys the basics and let you guys go. I want to show you guys everything you need to know about trading, how to stay consistently, how to make profits. Okay, so that's the purpose of this video, guys. Yeah, like I said, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to benefit from those things. Yeah, so many things is coming up, like I said, guys. So this is the measure of boom and crash. Thanks, guys. I believe you enjoyed this video, and after now, we'll add so much value to you guys. That'll be all for now. Thank you. Love you.